Hey everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. The cloud has grown significantly as a concept over the last few years. However, even today, a lot of people still don't know what it actually means. To put it simply, cloud storage is a system that allows software and services to run on the internet without the direct involvement of local storage services. This is because data is stored across a myriad of different servers. With the cloud, companies and organizations have started storing data remotely and upgrading their infrastructure, analytics, data management, and storage techniques. While data analytics, integration, storage, and management may seem overwhelming in the beginning, it's crucial for strategizing and increasing trustworthiness in data for your marketing efforts. Although data as a service has been around for decades and includes industry leaders like Bloomberg and Oracle Data Cloud, it's far from the plateau of productivity. But it's worth noting that data as a service is finally beginning to take hold. Global research firm Gartner estimates that within the next 5 to 10 years, data as a service will witness high growth adoption. Data as a service has a lot of potential, which comes as no surprise given its ability to modernize analytics and humanize big data. In addition to this, it can offer in-depth insights into consumer and employee behavior. But for now, it's resting in the comfort of positive media hype. In today's video, we're going to look at everything you need to know about data as a service, from what data as a service is to what the benefits are. As always, if you find this topic interesting, you can let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. You can also let us know if you find it interesting by saying so in the comments section down below. Now let's jump into it. So what is data as a service? Data as a service is a data management technique used to store and modernize data and analytics. It's a new type of cloud computing service after infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Data as a service provides a new way for companies to share data with other companies through centralized management of data resources. In the past, companies and organizations used to store data in either various teams or departments and couldn't use the data resource as an internal service to improve the efficiency of the company. Or each company regarded the data as its own goldmine and didn't want to share it with other companies or individuals. So this meant that even if the data was a goldmine, it wouldn't produce much value because it didn't circulate outside of a company or organization. Only by monetizing this newly accessible data did other companies use data resources, extract the materials they want, and exert the maximum value of the goldmine. For example, with the help of weather information, A can choose clothes, B can decide whether to wash the car, and C can decide whether to prepare for a flood disaster. Different users can use data as a service to meet their demands, leveraging external DaaS services. A lot of companies offer data as a service services through APIs. Open Corporate and Crunchbase are popular companies that offer DaaS services. So what are the benefits of data as a service? The potential of data as a service is huge, and not just in terms of revenue generation. It has the potential to influence businesses of all sizes and its customers when used correctly and efficiently. Let's have a look at some of the major advantages that data as a service can offer to businesses. The majority of companies nowadays are data-driven, and this means that they have to deal with a lot of data. However, they also face challenges while handling and organizing these vast amounts of data. By leveraging data as a service, companies and organizations can not only overcome these challenges, but also start adding value to the data. More innovation. If you develop a strategy around the huge volume of data you have, you can introduce more innovations with minimal risk. Businesses can create more around this approach, and the speed of execution increases considerably thanks to data processing, which behaves as a source of information for new innovations and thereby promotes growth. Financial flexibility. With the help of data as a service and predictive analytics, companies and organizations can balance investments and processing costs. It allows companies to make more strategic and well-informed decisions, along with better data management. Data as a service can merge internal and external data sources and provide the business with a more in-depth outlook. It can also provide data for ad hoc analytics through APIs to cater to particular business scenarios. Reduce costs. Through data as a service, you can purchase processed data. And this means that you pay one price for data management and analytics software and the installation and setup of that software. You can access this data without needing to clean and process it since it comes already processed. Now let's look at getting started with data as a service. Getting started with data as a service may seem overwhelming and complex, and this is because it's an entirely new type of business and data management solution. But the task isn't impossible. Adopting data as a service solutions eliminates the setup and installation required for building an on-premise data solution. Data as a service offers ease of deployment and the availability of tech support from its vendors. Now let's have a look at some of the steps that you need to follow to get started with data as a service. First, you're going to need to select a data as a service solution. And there are a few things that you do need to consider while selecting a data as a service solution. And this includes expenses, flexibility, trustworthiness, scalability, and how easy it is to integrate data as a service with other solutions. Second is registering and setting up your data as a service platform. And third is sending your data to the DaaS database. And it's based on a number of factors, including how much data you need to transfer and the speed of the network connection. And fourth, once you're done with the data migration, your DaaS platform is ready for you. As businesses struggle to gain a hold on the market and stay in sync with the latest trends, even the slightest competitive leverage based on how data is managed and operated can make a solid difference. Data as a service has a lot of potential and is set to drive the companies of tomorrow. So there we have it, a look at everything you need to know about data as a service. Once again, if you found this video interesting, don't forget to let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.